Little Guardians is an app built and designed to get the population of children in the orphanage to reduce and get the children adopted, thereby living a good and happy childhood by connecting them to a foster parent.
When you access Little Guardians, it takes you to the welcome page. If you are a new user, click on Get Started. You you choose if you're signing up as a home center, foster parent, or foster kid supervisor. Then you fill in the information needed. When you're done, you click Sign Up. On the login page, we use Firebase for authentication. After logging in, you enter the foster parents dashboard. You can make applications, view reports, view applications. So I click on the make applications. In the make up an application for a child, you have to fill things like put the child's picture, the child's age, child location, and your reason for application. After you finish making the application, you can go to search children. Then you can go to about our app. Then you can go to contact. So you have to fill the information so we can reach you out, like call you. Then you can enter a comment and you submit it. Then you can go to your settings, you can edit your profile, your appearance, privacy and security, and